This is Jane in the morning, trying to get her to look at me, but all she wants to look at are the curtains. And she smiles at the curtains. Oh, now she sees the camera. Now she sees her mama. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Can you do a little talking to mommy? Give me a little smile. Hi, honey. Yeah, that's a nice smile. Good morning. Can you talk to me a little bit? Can you talk to me? Tell me something. Oh, you got a nice little poopers out there, didn't ya? What do you want to tell me about? Good. What do you want to tell me about, honey? Tell me a little story. Tell me about what did you dream about last night? Do you have a good dream? Huh? Is that kind of funny? Good. Oh, look at those big pretty eyes. Ah, goo, goo, goo. Can you talk to Mama? Yeah. Ah, goo, goo, goo. Can you stick your tongue out? Oh, you ready to stretch out? Yeah, you ready to get down and stretch out? Say bye-bye. Signing off from Sweet Baby Jane. You give the camera a big bye-bye smile.